For Valor Roofing here, early morning, and we're going to replace a roof for a client. It all starts with the tear off of the roof, and what you want to do is tear the whole roof off. Don't put shingles over shingles. You never know what's behind or underneath those shingles. You might have rotted decking. You never know what you're going to run into, so we always tear it all the way off. Now that we got the roof basically torn off, we're going to walk it looking and feeling for any soft spots, rotted decking, anything that needs to be replaced. Like this little guy right here. We're going to put on some synthetic felt. We don't use the 15-pound felt paper. We just don't think it's as effective. Got the roof completed. Beautiful shingles, and the clients are very, very happy, and everything's done.